In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your form guide in HubSpot. A guide, or globally unique identifier, is the unique ID HubSpot assigns to each form. You'll need it for tasks like embedding a form with custom code, connecting third-party tools, or troubleshooting integrations. Let's walk through exactly where to find it, clearly and confidently. First, head to your HubSpot home. Once you're on your main dashboard, make sure you're in the right account and that you have permission to view and edit forms. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the account picker in the header so you don't grab an ID from the wrong place. Next, in the top navigation, click Marketing. This takes you into HubSpot's marketing tools where forms live. If your navigation is condensed, you might see Marketing within a drop-down. Either way, the destination is the same. From there, click Forms. This opens your Forms library, where you can see all the forms your team has created. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the form you need. Sorting by last updated can also help if you're working on something recent. Once you find the form you want, click Edit. Opening the form in the editor ensures you can access the sharing options that reveal the ID. Give the editor a moment to load, especially if your form has a lot of fields or logic. In the form editor, look to the top right and click Share. The Share button opens a panel or modal with different ways to distribute your form, including a direct share link and embed options. This is the key place we need to access. Inside the Share view, look for the form ID. That value is your form's GUI ID. It's a long string of letters and numbers, typically with hyphens. Copy it exactly as shown. A quick tip, double-clicking or using the built-in copy icon, if available, helps avoid grabbing any extra spaces. If you don't immediately see the form ID, scroll within the panel or expand any sections related to embed or sharing details. Keep that GUI somewhere safe. Many integrations will ask for it by name, and in HubSpot's documentation, you'll sometimes see Form ID and GUI ID used interchangeably. Be careful not to confuse it with your account's portal ID. They're different values used for different purposes. That's it. We went from HubSpot Home to Marketing to Forms, opened the form in edit mode, clicked Share, and captured the form ID, the GUID you need for integrations and custom embeds. Thanks for watching and happy building.